Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need an active email template and the send email permission. First, create or pick a template so the message content is ready. Next, decide recipient type, a specific user, role, or an email field from the record, because Flow needs a concrete target. Once done, open Flow Builder and choose the record triggered or scheduled flow type. Make sure API names and object are correct before adding email logic. You now add the email action inside your flow. Use the send email alert action when using standard templates. Choose an apex or invocable action for multi-recipient or merge complexity. Map the email template ID, the target record ID, and the recipient fields or addresses. Use variables for dynamic content and decision elements to prevent unnecessary sends. After mapping, include fault paths and set how many retries or loops. You finish by thoroughly testing the flow in Sandbox and with several profiles to validate permissions and content merges. Deploy only after you confirm correct recipients, merge fields, and timing. If something fails, enable debug logs, review fault paths and the email log for deliverability. Make sure the running user's email address is verified and recipients aren't suppressed by org-wide email or deliverability settings. This often resolves silent failures. Finally, monitor initial sends and adjust throttling or criteria as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.